What happens to safe deposit lockers when the sole holder dies, leaving a nominee? That's a topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets investment series. Before we get started, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets had recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session on what happens to safe deposit lockers when the sole account holder dies, leaving a nominee. So for this particular scenario, we are going to make some assumptions. So this account is a sole holder or single holder account. So it's not a joint account and there is a nomination available. So this is the assumption. And in this case, right, what are the documents that we need to claim that particular locker? So first one is the account holder's death certificate. And also you need the KYC documents of the nominee. So whoever is claiming to be the nominee, right, they need to submit their KYC documents. So what would be the action taken in this case? First thing is, right, so once you submit these documents, the bank should provide you with the access to the locker. But when you open the locker for the first time after providing you with the access, right, bank will send two officers along with you while you open the locker, and it will prepare the list of items in the locker. Okay, so it will look at all the items that is in the locker, and it will prepare a list of items that is available in the locker as of that particular day. Okay, so this needs to be done mandatorily. Okay, but in case if there is any packed item or sealed item in the locker, bank cannot insist on opening it. They can just mention it that a sealed or packed item was available. Okay, so that is on the first item. Okay, so once that is done, the access to the locker will be given to the nominee. So once the list is prepared, the bank will give you full control of the items and also the locker. And now the nominee will remain liable to the legal heirs of the deceased. Okay, so even though nominee will get the access to the locker, he or she is liable to the legal heirs. So if the legal heirs come and claim any of those items in the locker, the nominee has to settle with them. Okay, so in case of any legal troubles in the future, this list prepared by the bank, it will help save the day, because the locker might be empty, but the legal heirs might think there might be 100 sovereigns of gold in there. If that is the case, right, if they go to court with that particular statement, and if they file a case against the nominee, this list will come and save that nominee, because the bank can attest that there was nothing in that particular locker. So that is the reason behind preparing this particular list. So this is what happens when the sole account holder of a safe deposit locker dies, leaving a nominee. If you have any queries, comments, or feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also hit the like button if you like this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.